Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make cheese and onion pastry, and for that we need 3 large onions, 3 large potatoes, and 250 to 300 grams of mild cheddar cheese. And we are also going to need 2 sheets of puff pastry. And here you can see I have cut the potatoes thin, very thin, as you can see with a toothpick. It's like small pieces. We're going to boil these in salted boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes, and we'll fry the onions afterwards. That's roughly 2 tablespoons butter. I'm going to add potatoes in the boiling water. That's it. And onions will go in the wok. It's been 3 minutes. The potatoes have been boiling, and let me check. Potatoes are done, and the onions are a bit soft. We need to cook them a few more minutes. That's ready, and it's been 7 minutes that we've been cooking the onions, and it's done now. We'll turn the heat off, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon salt, and I'll mix it well. And I'm going to add the potatoes in there. Yep, that's fine. We can add all of it. Mix well. And this is ready to go into the pastry sheets. Make sure you check the salt. If you need some more, you can add it at this stage. I'm going to put the pastries in. Let's open this. Make it flat. You can make whichever shape you like. Like that. I'm going to make sideways. And I'm going to make a triangle shape. And first, I'll just make the edges a little bit wet, just a little touch of water, so we can secure the edges. And put some your desired amount in every single piece, like that. Now lift up your pastry, press the two corners together like that, and just keep pressing the edges so this is secure, doesn't come out, the filling doesn't come out. Press it like that. It's done. Now put it back on your worktop with a fork. Now we have done that, pressed with a fork, and it's ready. We can coat it with this egg. Beat one egg in a bowl and then just brush it. Put your pastries in there. I think 3 would go easily. I don't want to cramp it. 180 for 10 minutes. It's time to take it out. It's ready. There you can see. Now we will take it out and put it in the plate. It's very hot. It's ready. You can serve it with your favorite chili sauce or on its own. It's so delicious. Enjoy.